Right, big news coming in on a Bangladeshi kidney racket that's busted. Illicit kidney transplant in top NCR hospitals. Top Delhi woman doctor has been arrested for it. Bangladeshi kidney donors and masterminds. In fact, kidneys have been procured at 30 lakh rupees per kidney from poor donors. In fact, donors have been robbed of their kidney on the pretext of jobs. Very unfortunate story that's coming to light. In fact, we heard one of the men speaking. He was conned into donating his kidney for 30 lakh rupees, but really got no money for it. Let me cut across to Shreya joining us for more on that. Shreya, please take it away on this racket where Bangladeshis are reportedly involved in stealing kidneys.
Well, Nabila, this is a racket that is operating out of Bangladesh but has links to Rajasthan and the NCR region as well. Now, Vijay Kumari, who is allegedly a doctor who is also associated with one of the private hospitals in the capital, is behind the entire operation along with 7 arrested. What we are being told that between the time period of 2021 to 2023, at least 16 patients' kidney transplant was done in a private hospital in Noida, which was actually done by this Dr. Vijay Kumari, who is now, also been arrested by the Delhi police. What we are being told that multiple kidney donors were being duped of their kidneys for 4 to 5 lakh rupees, and subsequently the same was then sold for 30 to 35 lakh rupees. This is a case that is being investigated by the Delhi Police's crime branch. In total, 7 people have now been arrested in this particular matter.
Right, big news coming in as we know that a Bangladeshi kidney racket has now been busted, and we hear some of them have also been taken into custody. More news that's coming up on this case. Shreya, stay with us. We see Apollo Hospitals now distancing itself from the role of a kidney racket. Apollo Hospital, the accused doctor not on hospital payroll is what Apollo spokesperson says. In fact, Apollo Hospital statement reads, the Delhi Police's crime branch department had taken custody of a doctor who had been engaged on a free-for-service basis, not on the hospital's payroll. This action is subsequent to an investigation pertaining to procedures carried out at another hospital in prima facie, not related to any actions or acts at the Indraprastha Apollo Hospital. Given this action by the police, IAH had placed the doctor under suspension. Well, Apollo Hospitals at this point distancing itself from this racket altogether. Shreya joining us for more on that. Shreya, how is Apollo involved here? The doctor, the said doctor who's accused of this racket, was working with Apollo?
Well, she was in a part-time basis appointed at Apollo Sarita Vihar, paid for surgery because she's a surgeon. We are being told, and as per the surgeries, per surgery she was appointed by Apollo Sarita Vihar. She was not directly on the payroll of Apollo. What we are being told that these surgeries of 16 patients, victims, during the time period of 2021 to 2023 was done in a Noida-based private hospital that has already been unearthed by the Delhi police. She has been linked to Apollo because she has performed certain operations in association with Apollo in Sarita Vihar, but because she is not on the payroll, that's what Apollo is now distancing from, and very clearly putting the clarification that none of these transplants actually took place. In Apollo, and neither where the kidney was operated out was taken in the Apollo hospitals. That's the reason Apollo is refusing to commit. We've also corroborated the same by crime branch cases where the DCP has also confirmed that alleged removal of the kidneys took place at the private hospital in Noida.
Right. Shreya, stay with us. Himanshu Mishra has spoken to Amit Goyal, DCP crime on this case. Let's hear it.
डीसीपी क्राइम अमित गोयल जी मौजूद हैं। सर, पूरा किडनी रैकेट बस्ट हुआ है, कितनी गिरफ्तारियां हुई हैं और कैसे चलता था ये?
जी, क्राइम ब्रांच ने एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय किडनी रैकेट को बस्ट किया गया है, जिसमें कि ये बांग्लादेशी नेशनल्स की किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट कर रहे थे, जिसमें कि पेशेंट भी बांग्लादेशी नेशनल था, डोनर भी बांग्लादेशी नेशनल थे। इसमें उनका जो मास्टरमाइंड था रसेल, उसको गिरफ्तार किया गया है। टोटल अभी तक 7 गिरफ्तारी हुई हैं, जिसमें कि बांग्लादेश के 3 थे, एक उनका ट्रांसलेटर था और एक डॉक्टर का स्टाफ।
जो महिला डॉक्टर जिसे गिरफ्तार किया गया है उनका क्या रोल निकल के आया है?
वो पूरा ही इसमें एक तरह से संलिप्त थी, क्योंकि वो उनसे डायरेक्ट टच में रहती थी, जो कि ये एजेंट्स थे का काम करते थे जैसे लाने का, और आगे उसमें पूरा किडनी का ट्रांसप्लांट होना और पूरा वो सारा
मतलब उन्हें पता था कि ये रिलेटिव नहीं है?
जी बिल्कुल।